Okay, so I'm going to start, okay? And remember to follow this, okay? Follow the daily challenge because you're going to get so much out of it. Okay, so let's see. Let's do this. Okay, so today our word is nieve. Nieve is snow. So how can you study a word? Remember, you put the word in the middle and then you branch it out. And remember, you do it in your own language and you think about things, because I'm putting these things because are the ones that come to my mind when I think of nieve. But when you think of snow, nieve, many other things can, maybe you use another you have another way of saying things. So you just write down all the things you want to know or you say when you speak or think about snow. Okay, so in my case, I put 4 things. Okay, so I put, how can I describe it? Okay, always think about that. You put the word in the middle and then you think, how can I describe nieve? Okay, so I thought, okay, blanca, white, okay, limpia or sucia, clean or dirty, fría, cold, blanda, soft, or dura, okay? Hard, okay, so, but you can add as many as you want there. Remember that don't stay like in a limit of 4 or 5 for every category, because if not, it's going to be too much, because you're studying one word, but you're getting so much out of one word, okay? And the key thing is to learn every single one associated to that word and then make sentences, okay? And you'll be able to make a sentence because you have verbs there, okay? So, next one, I added copo de nieve, okay? Snowflake, muñeco de nieve, snowman, okay? Tormenta de nieve, okay? Snowstorm, ventisca is a blizzard, okay? Escarcha, frost, okay? We'll see it like later, okay? But remember, you do this in your own language and then translate, and you choose the words that you associate with the word in the middle, okay? Because it has to be for you, okay? And also, it's better if you write it down, okay? I do it like this, so it's easier to understand, but I encourage you to put pen to paper and do it with color because it will stick to your brain, okay? So, next one. Another category for me is how can I get rid of the snow, okay? So I need a pala is shovel, okay? I need a máquina quitanieves, okay? The big machines that clean the streets, snow poles, I think they are called. And if I want to drive, I need cadenas del coche, okay? Like chains for the wheels, okay? Great. And the super important thing you always have to include, okay, are verbs, because we need verbs to make sentences. Okay, so make sure to add the verbs that you want to use. So for me, if I think of nieve, I could have think of jugar because of the kids, so I could have added play there, okay? Jugar, or nevar, okay, to snow, granizar, to hail, derretir is to melt, okay? Limpiar, because there's snow, I want to get it out, limpiar. And another one is despejar la calle, the street, clear up the streets, okay? So, if you see, with one word, we get all the things around it. We get to describe how to describe it, we get what do you need to do when there's snow, types of things you can do with the snow, okay? And also the verbs, because remember, verbs are the key thing here, because you want to use every single thing you have learned, okay, to make sentences. Okay, so, hacer un nieve de ángel, sí, me encanta. Un nieve de ángel. Un nieve de ángel, un ángel de nieve. We have to say ángel de nieve. Mucho vocabulario. Yes, with one, you learn so much, but you don't have to put as many as me. You can stick to 2, 3, okay? So in each one, you can stick to 2, 3 if it's too much. But remember to do it like this, because you'll get so much out of it. So the process of doing this goes little by little. So what I do is I put nieve, okay? And then how can I describe it? And just what I told you. Blanca, limpia, fría, blanda, dura, okay? What do I have to use to get rid of the snow? Pala, máquina quitanieves, cadenas del coche, okay? So, and if you have a picture there or you're like creative and draw something, it will help you memorize better, okay? Because when we attach images to when we are learning, it makes such a big difference, okay? So remember, put a pen to paper, do it like this, and branch it out, okay? So remember, we're from here, okay? And we're explaining all the little things we have added, okay? So next one, very, very important, the most important part are verbs. So for me, when I think about snow, I think about these verbs, but you can add whatever you want to, okay? If you, con fotos es mejor, sí. So if, for you, if you think about nieve, snow, you think about other verbs, like I just said, like I should have added play because my kids love to play, so I add jugar, okay? So always think about, because you're the one that is going to use that word. So you have to make sure you're saying the things you normally say when you're talking about nieve in this case, okay? So for me, it was nevar, okay? Granizar, derretir, okay, when it melts, limpiar, y despejar la calle, okay? Hola, Nazanin! Okay, what else? Same thing. I thought about copo de nieve, and remember, if you can, draw something there, because it will get better in your brain. You will remember, okay? Muñeco de nieve, tormenta de nieve, okay, snowstorm, ventisca, okay, blizzard, escarcha, frost. Okay, so look at so many words we have learned with only one word. Remember, nieve, okay, one word. And look at all the things we have learned. So the best way, I'm telling you, this is the best way of learning vocabulary. Okay, so let's practice the fun part, right? Remember, write down below your answers. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake, okay? We are here to learn, we're here to practice and have a wonderful time together, okay? So, hoy nevar mucho. What do you think? So today, the verb is snow and then a lot. What do you think? Hoy mucho. Write it down below so that I can see it, okay? Hoy mucho. Do you think you have to conjugate? Nevar. Okay, so we have to say hoy. Okay, nieva mucho. That will be like it's now. So it will be better to say está nevando. Okay, you can say hoy está nevando mucho. Okay, or you can say muy bien, está nevando. Or you can say maybe it has been raining all day and you want to tell me hoy ha nevado mucho. Okay, today it has snowed a lot. Okay, if it's the end of the day, we are still in the day. Okay, and you can say that hoy ha nevado. Muy bien. Perfecto. Okay, next one. No puedo salir a la calle. ¿Dónde están las? No puedo salir a la calle. I can't go out. Where are the? That's what I thought when it snowed in Madrid. Where are the? Because you know that we got stuck. We couldn't go out. It was like, yeah, it was a little stressing for me, but well. So, no puedo salir a la calle. ¿Dónde están las? Okay, thank you for the hearts. We can say palas. Yes, Mary can say, ¿dónde están las palas? Okay. But I want the professional ones. Where are the big machines? How are they called? Do you remember? Máquinas quitanieves. Muy bien. That's what I said when we were stuck here. ¿Dónde están las máquinas quitanieves? Muy bien. Perfect. Go on. Máquina quitanieves. Okay. Máquina quitanieves. Muy bien. Perfect. So next one. Yes, máquinas. Muy bien, Diva. Muy bien. La semana próxima, and the verb is hay, una tormenta de nieve. How would you conjugate hay? Think about it. You have the clue there in la semana próxima, okay? So, la semana próxima. Okay, if you say hubo, it's past. La semana próxima is the future, okay? So, muy bien, habrá. La semana próxima habrá una tormenta de nieve. Muy bien. We have to conjugate I in the future. Habrá, okay? Habrá. Muy bien. Yes. Hubo, it would be la semana pasada. We can say, la semana pasada hubo una tormenta de nieve. Habrá, with a B. Habrá. H-A-B-R-A. An accent mark in the last A. Muy bien. Perfecto. Muy bien. Why not haré? Haré is to do. So it's not the same. Okay? It's habrá. I will do, yo haré. So haré is from the verb hacer. Okay? And this is haber. Okay? Okay, next one. ¿Nosotros hacer un muñeco de nieve? ¿Nosotros hacer un muñeco de nieve? What do you think? I love this sentence because you know that I love Disney movies and it was in Frozen and we were all the time saying that and singing that. Yes, hacemos. Hacemos un muñeco de nieve. Perfect. Muy bien. Muy bien. Okay. Hacemos un muñeco de nieve. Perfecto. Okay, and our last one, okay? Thank you for the hearts. Our last one. Hace más calor y la nieve se... What do you think? And the verb is derretir. Remember, derretir is to melt. Okay, so it's getting hot or it's hotter and the snow is... What do you think? Hace más calor y la nieve... What do you think? What do you think? Hace más calor y la nieve. You can say two. Yeah, I'm thinking of one, but you can say two. Okay, derrite. Okay, the second one is an E, an I. Exactly, that's the one I was waiting for, ¿verdad? La nieve se está derritiendo. Okay, está with an I, derritiendo. Okay, the snow is melting. Derritiendo. Perfect, Mary. That's it. Derritiendo. Can you pronounce the double R? Derritiendo. Try it. Derritiendo. Muy bien. Perfect. So, how do you feel? Do you know everything about snow now? Derritiendo. Muy bien. Perfect. Okay. So, ¿podemos decir ha derretido? Yes, we can say that. Se ha derretido. Muy bien, derretido. Perfecto. Yes, Maria. Muy bien. Muy bien, the double R. Muy bien, everyone. Perfect. So, do you know everything about snow now? Are you going to make your own? Well, if you want to, because you know you can get mine. Okay, remember, if you want access to every single thing we've been doing since I don't know what day in January, but you know what? You get all of this, okay? So if you want it, it's linked in my bio, okay? And remember that I will be posting every single video on my YouTube channel, just in case you missed one, okay? Don't worry, because it's there. I'm uploading them little by little, okay? And you have them there. Yay! I hope you have enjoyed this. I love being here live with you every day. And we'll see each other tomorrow. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Do you have any plans? You have to tell me. I love Valentine's Day because I love love. So I want to make some cute cards for my kids. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. I'm super happy to have you here every single day. Remember, I am here every single day at 9 p.m. Central European Time, okay? Yay! Gracias, Nazanin. Muy bien, so see you tomorrow, okay? Nos vemos mañana. Un beso enorme. ¡Mua! Adiós. Adiós.